Josie, and I'm so glad that you joined me here today on my channel. So today we are going to be doing this super pretty kind of illusion makeup with the new Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I am so stoked about this. I cannot even explain how excited I am about this beautiful little palette. Well, actually it's huge, but you know what I mean. So anyway, this is the color palette that we are working with, and I love it. I am also going to be doing a swatching video, and if you would like to see and check that out, I will link that here so you guys can go check that out as well. Really quick, please hit that subscribe button down there. It's red and it's free, and if you click that and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos, and also you will become a part of the Glam Fam. And I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beauty by Josie K. And I talk to y'all mostly on those social media platforms. And let's get into this video. Alright guys, we're going to start off by priming our lids. This is Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. Once we have that on the lid, we are going to set that and blend out the color Priceless. This is a really nice peachy toned color, and it's great for a transition shade as well. And then once that is blended out, we're going to go in with Blue Blood, which is this gorgeous mid-tone blue, and we're going to blend that into the crease a little bit higher than we would normally go, and then we're going to blend that blue color out a little bit more with Celebrity Skin. Then we're going to go in and pack down this Blue Monday color on the outer part of our crease. I started with a big fluffy brush, but then I went in with a smaller, more dense brush to pack on the color, and then I'm going in and blending it out. Then we're going to take the ColourPop concealer and cut our crease. I like to put it on the mobile part of my crease and then look around, and then that kind of gives you the outline that you can use for the cut crease. And then once we have that filled in all the way, we're just going to slightly wing out the cut crease, and then we're going to take I'm Cold and Blue Blood and start to fill in the cut crease. I'm going with a slightly different approach than I normally would. I'm going to put the lighter color on the outer portion of the cut crease, and we're going to blend that about 2/3 of the way over, and then we're going to go back in with the Blue Monday color and put that onto the inner part of the cut crease and blend the two together. And then I'm just going to go into Wealthy, which is a very light cream colored shade, and we're just going to place that under the brows and blend it down. I then went in with Ocean Ice, which is probably one of my favorite colors out of the whole palette, and we are just going to pack that onto the darker portions of our eye, really focusing it so that it looks like the dark color disperses into the light color. Then I'm going to be taking my NYX matte liquid liner, and we are going to line my lids only until the tape, and then we're going to peel the tape off and continue to line our lids. We are then going to go in and prime our face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is a new primer, and I am really loving it. And then we're going to go on top of that with our Born This Way foundation and blend that out with the Sigma blender. Once that is blended out, I'm going to go back in with the ColourPop concealer, and we are just going to conceal our whole face and blend that out. And then once we are done blending it out, we are going to set it with Laura Mercier's powder. Then I'm going in with a slightly darker powder by Collab than my actual skin, and we're going to go in and just contour. Please don't mind my wig. I didn't realize that it was coming up by my ear. We're just going to go in and contour, lightly contour all over our face, And then we're going to go in with Hoola bronzer and just deepen that contour slash bronzer up just a bit. We are then going to go in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and this is in Cheerio, and we're going to apply that in circular motions on our cheeks for our blush. And then we're going to move on to the bottoms of our eyes. So I'm taking a mixture of all of the colors that I used on the top, and we're going to just buff them underneath the eye, making sure that they are very blended in with each other. And we are also going to focus the darker colors on the inner portion of our eyes and blend those out to the lighter colors onto the outer portions of our under eye. And then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and this is in Pyro. And we are going to super lightly line just the top of the cut crease. Then we're going to apply mascara and lashes and move on to our lips. So I'm using this new Velour lip scrub. It tastes amazing. It is in the flavor Blue Freezy, and oh my goodness, it tastes so good. And it really got so much of my dead skin off of my lips. It's really, really, really amazing stuff. And then we're going to go in with Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Celebrity Skin. And we are going to apply that to our lips. And then we are going to spray our whole entire face down with Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I love this stuff. And then we're going to move on to the highlight. And then we're going to be taking the shade Cullinan, which is this gorgeous white shimmery shade from the Blue Blood palette, and we are going to use that as our highlight. Once we have packed it on, I'm just going to go over it lightly with a fluffier brush just to take some of that shock down just a little bit so it blends in with the skin better. Then I'm going to just pop that onto the tops of my collarbones, and that is it. You are done. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam fam. And if you click that little bell notification next to the subscribe button, you will never miss another one of my videos. I upload every week, and I hope you guys will stay. And that is it for this makeup. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye.
Yep, that's right.